But no disc brake today.
No
still
brakes.
Popping up
no
though.
brakes, baby.
Still popping up.
No brakes over here.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
It's leaking or no?
I don't know, no air's coming in, but I don't hear no leak. But it won't hold no air. Like there's no air going in.
RJ's trying to fix his wheel that he bent last time because now it won't hold air in it. Have you messed up the car too?
I might. Yeah, I might redo some jetting. I did bring some jets.
Oh yeah.
Try to go heavy.
For top speed?
No,
well, wouldn't heavy make it harder to wheelie? Wouldn't you want them light? Or no?
It all depends on like the center spring. So right now I don't want to change the center spring on this one. It might be a little dead. So what you do is you put heavier weights, but the clutch springs are so good that this thing engages instantly.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna try. If anything, I can just switch it back out. For right now, I think it's too light.
Trying to save a flat tire out of this thing. Tuning this Elite, and then we're probably gonna work on my motor a little bit, and then we're heading out to do some wheelies. I'm probably gonna bring mostly the KLX 110 to do wheelies today because I want to get used to the foot brake. I just got that thing, so I want to wheelie it. Hi, RJ out here breaking everything we own before we even get to the wheelie spot. You don't even look. Oh my god! Fucking bubble machine.
Let me see what she sound like.
Oh, it's in gear.
Damn fighter!
Had to.
$6.99 on my boy's website.
Had to be done.
Let us know. Make sure you step right, yeah.
For rear disc brake.
Yeah.
But no disc brake today.
No
Still
brakes.
popping up
no
though.
brakes, baby.
Still popping up.
No brakes over here.
Hey, that looks hard
brakes.
on there. The flat black.
What's up, how you doing?
It's the Juan garage.
Oh yeah, there's no fucking. Yeah.
Hey, what is this, Juan? This is theft thing?
Yeah.
No way. This is hard.
Don't believe I had to keep that motherfucker down. Archie trying to rob me, so you know I have to keep that thing.
Hey, that's tough. Actually, I've never seen that before. Hey, we on the pit bike today, Juan.
Yeah.
Street tires front and back.
No brakes too.
Oh, get realigned. Yes, sir.
Can't damage the white pieces.
Right.
Status, yeah.
Makes it look a lot more meaty.
Yeah.
That's that first thing, baby.
That's how you ought to be.
Wait, you got no front brake at all
No
either?
brakes, baby.
No brakes.
No brakes.
At all.
I had to take the front brakes off because that shit legit blew out.
No brakes.
Wait, he really has no brakes.
Yeah, facts.
No brakes.
Don't
Hey, you're
need
still gonna be wheeling it though.
No problem.
Yeah,
left
foot
it,
down.
I popped it up earlier. Look at that gas. That's a 12 o'clock bar too.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you're gonna have a kick. Let me see how I'm gonna do that shit.
We got the pit bike, Juan on his pit bike, RJ on the Stock 50. We got Chuck on the 72 board Honda Elite back there. And we do an activity.
Okay.
brakes, baby.
No brakes.
No brakes.
No brakes.
Drive that 110 piece.
110 peasy.
See a circle wheelie.
I can.
We got a little bit of riding in up at like the bus depot spot, but now we're in here doing the 2-stroke, the 120 up a little bit more, and RJ's over here about to do his seat cover on his moped because he had to. I got the red one done, and he's going with blue. Yes, sir. Had to. Let me see the other side. Never that.
Never.
So this bearing kit's an alternative to this, what would you call it, a shim on the transmission?
The shim, yeah, that we can't get off.
Whoa!
The aftermarket spring saver, I mean. That's what it is.
Spring saver.
Yeah.
Right now I'm on the C2. Not too much customized, but it's probably custom. I'll wait for it.
Gracias. See how the back's coming?
Is she tight?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
He went in there.
Had to. I gotta do it on this side too.
Not even.
Yeah, because that's where my feet are gonna be mostly coming off. So if it skids back, yeah, for my knee knocker.
Okay.
So if it skids back, I don't want it to rip out. You feel me?
It's tight, so you gotta like line up and hit it down. It doesn't have to come all the way off, it slides over.
One side's in.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Damn, you took that boy.
Yeah, you gotta tighten them bolts. Tighten them bolts up.
I need something else to hold on the other side because it's not tight.
Alright, so there's a few things we're still gonna do. We basically got the carb sitting on there right now. We might shave the head down on top to fit the cooling plastics a little bit better because as you can tell right now, they're kind of not sitting on there straight. We got the kicker case on there, gonna polish that, got the carb on there. I went over it a little bit more in the last video, but we're doing a 34mm carb on it. Still not sure on the transmission exactly what we're doing because we haven't really got completely finished with that yet, but we got the PG pipe on there and yeah, a few more things. So basically what I figured out what we're gonna do for the plan with this thing is we're basically gonna use the white Elite in the beginning. So this white Elite that we're always wheeling, it's an AF05 motor, stock 50cc. I'm basically gonna pull that AF05 motor because this won't bolt right in. Bolt this thing in, get it running, get it tuned, get it running nice, and then in the meantime, while the motor's getting dialed in, everything inside this scooter, I'm gonna start ordering the parts right here for the 89 and getting it all dialed up. This thing needs a lot of parts. I don't think there's one wire in the bike. There's no brake levers. It's missing a lot on that scooter. So a lot to do with the 89 before we put this motor in. Plus you'd have to make a motor mount for that one. So we figured put in the white one, get it dialed, and just have it sitting on the side ready to go basically while the red one's being built. Coming soon with that. Also make sure you check the description for the Mop Boy stickers. You know we got the new colorways on everything. So until next time, boys, I'll see you in the next one.